Welcome to qnawire.
What is the unity element in the ring 2468 under addition and multiplication modulo 10? First, let's recall what a unity is. A unity, also called the multiplicative identity, is an element U in the ring such that for any element in the ring, a times U equal to. Now, let's consider the elements of the given ring 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. We want to find an element U such that for any element in the ring, a times U equal to a 10. Let's try each element as a potential unity. 1. If U equal to 0, then a times U equal to 0, 10, which is not equal to for any and not equal to 0. So, U not equal to 0. 2. If U equal to 2, then a times U equal to 2, 10. For equal to 2, we have 2 times 2 equal to 4, 10, which is not equal to. So, U not equal to 2. 3. If U equal to 4, then a times U equal to 4, 10. For equal to 2, we have 2 times 4 equal to 8, 10, which is not equal to a. So, U not equal to 4. 4. If U equal to 6, then a times U equal to 6, 10. For equal to 2, we have 2 times 6 equal to 12 equal to 2, 10, and which is equal to a. Let's check the other elements. Minus for equal to 4, we have 4 times 6 equal to 24 equal to 4, 10. Minus for equal to 6, we have 6 times 6 equal to 36 equal to 6, 10. Minus for equal to 8, we have 8 times 6 equal to 48 equal to 8, 10. So, U equal to 6 works for all elements in the ring. 5. If U equal to 8, then a times U equal to 8 to 10. For equal to 2, we have 2 times 8 equal to 16 equal to 6, 10, which is not equal to a. So, U not equal to 8. Thus, the unity of the ring 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 under addition and multiplication modulo 10 is 6.